Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. We'll continue that important section of relation function, that solving 5-mark questions. So few more left. I think this is the last two problems in that 5-mark section. Okay, first question in that, show that f from n to r defined by f of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 5. Yeah, in last video you saw one last problem of this kind, so it's not easy, but these two problems are asked so many times in a final exam, this one and the previous problem, but this trick is same as that of the method which you followed in the previous video, okay, as a last question. So did you remember how to convert this into perfect square? Yes, this can be converted into perfect square as follows. Maybe remember, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ number ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? See, a square is there, 2ab is there, so 2ab, b ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? See, ಇದು 12x ಅಲ್ವಾ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ 12x ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4x, so 12x ಆಗಬೇಕು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 3, right? No, 3, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12x. So this is b, so b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ 15 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 6 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರ ಇತ್ತು. Now this will be a perfect square for us. So tell me what is this? Okay, we got f of x equal to 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. This is a new f of x for us for this particular problem. Now take let f of x is equal to y. Then what is f of x? 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 is equal to y. So 2x plus 3 whole square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y minus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2x plus 3 is root of y minus 6. So 2x plus 3 is equal to root of y minus 6, right? Now take 3 to this side, so you will get 2x is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3. So we need x is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Now using this you can define new function, okay? So define g from r to n, okay, by g of y is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಾವು ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ g of f of x is an identity function of x, that is equal to x ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. g of f of x you should consider, right? That is g of f of x, see, remember, don't use the first one, use the second one, that is 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Now you can take this as a g of z. What is z here? Where z is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Now g of z, see, this is g of y for us. So g of z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? root of z minus 6 minus 3 by 2. That is root of z 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole divided by 2. 6 plus 6 cancel. So this will be your root and root 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So directly you can write here 2x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel ಆಗಿ 2x by 2 cancel ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದು x. So this is nothing but identity function of the domain. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ f of g of y is equal to identity function of y. f of g of y is equal to identity function of, okay, codomain which is equal to r. So that is f of g of y, that is f of root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. You can take this as f of z. What is z here? Z is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Correct alva? F of x 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. So f of z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2z plus 3 whole square plus 6. This 2 times z and root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2, okay, close bracket, z plus 3 whole square plus 6. So this 2 and 2 cancel, so it is remaining root of y minus 6 minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus 6 plus 3 plus minus 3 cancel, square and square root cancel agate, y minus 6 plus 6 cancel agi what is y. This is the identity function of codomain R. So we proved f of g of y is equal to y, g of f of x equal to x. So what is the conclusion? F is invertible and its inverse, and its f inverse of x is equal to, okay, root of x minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Remember this one and the last problem in the last video, both are very important because these two questions are so many times in a final exam as a question number 39 and it is for 5 marks. Easily you can score 5 marks from this particular problem. Understood? Very good. So one more question is there in the list of 5 mark section. Again almost similar pattern, but this particular question is not asked up to now in a final exam, but it is there in NCERT textbook. So any year you may get it. So be ready to answer this particular problem also for 5 marks. Again this belongs to question number 39 in final exam. Okay, so here there is no trick. Directly you can start by taking f of x is equal to y, that is x by x plus 2 is equal to y. So cross multiply, you will get x is equal to xy plus 2y. x minus xy is equal to 2y. Rearrangement artha agtidalva? Ha, equal to 2y. So x equal to enagate 2y by 1 minus y. Now using this x, define a new function. How to define new function? G by interchanging codomain and domain by g of y. Yavadanu use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ expression use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Equal to 2y by 1 minus y. So now we have two functions. One is g of x and f of x. Now you have to take two compositions. So what is the next work? To prove g of f of x is equal to identity function of the domain. Domain minus 1 to 1. This we have to prove. Yeah, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಇದೆ work compared to the previous problem. So correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. G of f of x x by x plus 2. You can consider this as a g of z. What is z? X by x plus 2. Now for this g of y, what is g of z? 2z divided by 1 minus z. Now ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ z ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು replace by x by x plus 2. So yeah, very good. Now take LCM. Okay, what is LCM here? One ನಿಮಿಷ ಈ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay, so take LCM. In numerator keep everything as it is, but in denominator take LCM. What is LCM? X plus 2 is LCM. X plus 2 minus x. So plus x minus x cancel, ಇದೆರಡು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2x by 2 cancel. What is remaining? X. So it's identity function of minus 1 to 1. So one composition we completed. Which is the next one? Next we have to prove. In prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು f of g of y is equal to identity function of codomain. F of g of y 2y by 1 minus y. You take this as a f of z. Z is equal to 2y by 1 minus y. F of z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Z by z plus 2. That is 2y by 1 minus y divided by 2y by 1 minus y plus 2. Again take LCM. You will get 2y by 2y plus 2 minus 2y. So cancel. So remaining is 2y by 2 cancel by. So it is the identity function of codomain. So what we proved? Therefore we proved f is an invertible. F is an invertible and f inverse of x is equal to, what is the answer? F inverse of x is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x. So we completed all the 5 mark question section from the functions or the invertible functions. Remember, out of these 7 questions, minimum 1 question you will get in final exam. Artha aita? Thank you.